Mackenzie, this is with regards to question 5 on your exam. I think you misunderstood the question. It said find the z-scores for which 97% of the distribution's area lies between negative z and positive z. Z is for normal curves, so what we're basically trying to do is figure out how many standard deviations above and below the mean do we need to go to capture the middle 97% of your distribution, of your normal distribution. So you've got to identify that you've got 97%, which means you've got 1 minus 0.97 or 3%, 0.03, that once again needs to be split up evenly between the two tails. So when you divide that by 2, you find that there must be 0.015 in each of these tails. Now the question is, all right, so then if there's 0.015 in each of those tails, how do we determine these z-scores? What we need to do is to go to our normal distribution table and look in the body of the table and try to get as close to 0.0150 as we possibly can. When we do that, we find that that corresponds to a z-score of negative 2.17. So basically, the lower end of that 97% confidence interval must be 2.17 standard deviations below the mean, which means the upper end of that confidence interval must be the same distance but above the mean. And that's why our z-scores would be equal to positive and negative 2.17.